Alright, so now we're going to work on some combinations. So how many results are possible from choosing 3 class representatives from a class of 10? Now when we did permutations, the order mattered. So that would be picking like a president, vice president, and secretary. But in this scenario, we just want 3 people. It doesn't matter what order they're picked in. So that's worked just a little bit different. So the way you write this, because this is a combination, would be 10 people to choose from, combination, and we're choosing 3 of them. So the way you would work this is the 10 times 9 times 8, just like you were doing a permutation, but this time we're going to put it over whatever that other number is, factorial, so 3 times 2 times 1. So we just start working this out. So 10 times 9 is 90, so then we have 90 times 8, over 3 times 2 is 6 times 1, so 90 times 8, that would be 0, and 9 times 8 is 72, so that would be 720 divided by 6. So then we do 720 divided by 6, we'll go in 1 time, and then 12, so we'll go 2, so 120. So there's 120 different results. Now you could also simplify this before you multiply. So if we had 10 times 9 times 8 over 3 times 2 times 1, you could simplify 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 8 4 times, 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times. So now you just have 3 times 4 is 12, times 10 is 120, over 1, which is 120. So if you simplify before you start multiplying, you'll save yourself some work. Alright, so just in case you didn't get that down, combination order doesn't matter. So let's work a couple combination problems just so we have some practice. So let's say we had 7 combinations and we get to pick 2 of them. And then we'll work that one first. So that one we have 7 times 6 over 2 times 1. So 7 times 6 is 42, 2 times 1 is 2, 42 divided by 2 is 21. If you reduce this before you multiply, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times, 3 times 7 is 21. Got there a little bit faster. And you'll notice that's much more helpful when we get some bigger numbers. So let's say we had 15 combination and we're going to pick 5 of them. So let me move some stuff real quick so I get a little more room. This is going to take a little bit more room. So for our top, we're going to have 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So let's reduce some of this because these numbers are going to get huge if I just start multiplying. So 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 15 3 times. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 3 once. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 14 7 times. So now on the bottom all I have is 1, so on the top I have, write this out so it's a little more clear, 3 times 7 times 13 times 1 times 11. Still not easy, but a lot better than it was. So we got 3 times 7 is 21 times 13 times 1 times 11 is 11. So I'm going to do 13 times 11 next. So that's going to be 3, 1, 3, 1, so 143. So I got 21 times 143. So let's work that out. That's 143, 682. So that'd be 2, 9. Oh, hope if I had enough room here. So that'd be, ooh, how did I get shapes? So So that'd be 3, 0, 1, 0, 3. So that'd be 3003 combinations for 15 combination 5.